Explore the future of advanced computing technology with Kai, the artificial intelligence robot. Build this six-legged, app-enabled robot from over 100 parts. Then teach it to react to the gestures and sounds you make. Using the included app and your smart device's camera and microphone, report sounds and movements and assign them to Kai's 5 functions. Walk forward and backward. Turn left and right. And stop. The AI will learn to recognize each gesture and sound, so you can control Kai just by moving your body. Switch to remote control mode to control Kai directly. Observe your robot as it walks on 6 legs, rotates its upper body 360 degrees, and shows messages and facial expressions on its display of red LEDs. The 64-page experiment manual provides assembly and programming instructions, as well as lots of fascinating information, including what is AI? How do people and robots think and learn? What does the future of AI hold? And so much more. Learn all about AI with Kai for young programmers ages 10 and up with help or 12 and up for independent play from Thames Kosmos.